Hello everyone, this is Khaldun with Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Lelit Mara X espresso machine. It comes to us with, it was like no steaming, and even when it's in a steaming mode and the steam pressure was in a 2 or more, it wasn't like, there was like kind of clogged in many of the pipes inside, and the machine needs a tune-up. So I did a tune-up for the machine, and I did back flushing cleaning cycle multiple times, and I cleaned the entire whole machine. And I replaced, this is the vacuum, the old vacuum release valve, I replaced it, and this is the safety valve, also needs to be replaced, and this is the shower screen and the globe gasket, the old ones. I replaced it with a new silicone gasket and a new shower screen. I descaled the machine twice. So let's go ahead, test it, and make a espresso shot on it. Okay, now it's even not on a steam mode, it's in a brew mode, but it works perfect. Steaming, and yeah, I forget to tell, like, I need to replace also the water softener. This is the old one. I try with it, but it's not okay, it needs to be replaced. So let's go ahead and make an espresso shot in it. Even the portafilter deep cleaning, I soak it from yesterday, then I clean it well. All the details on the machine get cleaned. The whole brew pit was full of build-up coffee on it. That's cool. Got this beautiful shot coming out from this Mara X with thick crema, 3 layers of coffee. That's cool. So let's test the steamer again. And even it's in a brewing mode, not in a steam mode. So in a steam mode, it's gonna be like steaming crazy. There's the hot water, works perfect, and the machine refilling. So all the functions in the machine working perfect. Thank you for watching.